My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a Pilates workout. Perfect 10 minutes, all body weight, give you a boost for the rest of your life. I'm actually filming this on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year. All body weight, no weights or machines. Going to work from our center outward. I'm in Decatur, Illinois at the Shastine Gym. Have you ever been to Illinois? You ever been to Decatur, Illinois? Let me know below. And also, click that thumbs up button right now and let's go. We're going to start on our backs. Modify as needed. Always use control. Come on down. I don't want him talking like that. All right, let's take it. Tabletop position, arms to the side. Start with the Pilates 100 precision. Shoulders back and down. You can also take the legs out, zipping them up into Pilates stance. Stabilize your center 100 times. We're going to pulse. Breathe in for 5, out for 5, in the nose, out the mouth. Okay, I've said too much. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulders back and down, moving right into double leg stretch. 10 times. Pull the knees in the chest. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, circle around, back to center. Pull. There's 1. In the nose, out the mouth. 2. Imprint your lower back. 3. Get that blood flowing. 4. All the festivities going on. Nice to take a break. Do some Pilates. Give me 10 minutes. I will give you the Pilates world. The whirl. 3 more. In the nose, out the mouth. Squeeze that breath out. 2 more. And once more. Circle around. Feel that squeeze. Come up to a seated position. Spine stretch. No time's a wasted. Shoulders back. There you are. Shoulders back and down. The heels are on the edges of the mat or wider. Take the arms forward. We're going to exhale, hinge. That floor is nice and cold. Squeeze the breath from the lungs. Inhale, stack the spine. Back up. Let's do 5 more. Let me turn just a little bit here. All right, that's better. Exhale. Empty the lungs. Inhale, stack. Very nice. Spine stretch. Press the backs of the knees down 3 more times. Tall position. And one more time. One more time. Take it further, my friends. Really extend, stretching the whole body, staying lifted in your center. And then rising back up, we'll go right into the saw 10 times. Keep the legs where they are. If you're comfortable, arms out, twist to the right. 2 pulses. Exhale, exhale. Pinky finger, pinky toe. Inhale back to the center. We're going to twist. And other side. Here's 2. Tall posture. 3. Loosen up the body. Wake it up. Wake it the heck up. Everything moving. Everything flowing. 4. Twist. We got 5. Let's take the shirt out. Why did I even tuck it? 6. Twist and reach. 7. Wake up the sides, the abdominals, of course, the core, the calves. 2 more times. Look to your back arm. Get that full twist. Inhale up. And reach. Long stretches. All right, legs together. Scooch forward. Come on down. 4. Crisscross. Leg out. This one 90 degrees. 20 times. Take it slow. 1. Use your abdominals. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Reverse it. Take the elbow to the leg. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bring it up and over. Forearm plank into Pilates planks. 10 times. You can hold the plank if you like, elbows under the shoulders, or inhale forward, drop down, and then press back. Full movement. Here's 2. Inhale back. 3, 4, 5. Isn't that a humdinger? Merry Christmas. Happy Pilates plank. Happy Pilates plank. 2 more. All right, once more, down and up. We got forearm plank. Hold it 5 breaths. Squeeze those abs on the exhales, my friends. Can repeat this workout as much as you wish. Pressing the ground away. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. One more breath. And down into pulling the straps. 10 times, arms to the sides. We're going to reach the arms forward, open the legs, grab the straps, pull. 1. There's exhale back, inhale forward. Here we go. 2. 3. Controlled always. 4. Feel that lift. Sculpting the back. 5. Stretching, strengthening, and toning all at once. 6. 7. Love that lift. 8. Going to 10. 9. And one more time. Reach, hold, and pull. Hold right here. 2 breaths. Lifting taller. And then, arms forward. I don't know why I scooched back. Who knows? Swimming 10 times. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale up, exhale down, or you can speed it up. 10 seconds. 2, 1, down. Take a quick breather. And now just go. Either one. Swim fast, swim slow. Breathe into it. I'm going to count slowly to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's fun. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Stretch it back, child's pose. Keep that back nice and limber. Got about 10 minutes here. Now come forward and lift up into cobra or upward facing dog. Great way to stretch the abdominals. Brilliant, my friends. Take a stretch. Repeat that sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. If you like it, don't forget to click that thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. It's me, Coach Vigue. All the workouts we did today were taken from my best-selling book, Pilates for Athletes. It's somewhere on the screen. Grab that wherever books are sold. And Merry Christmas. It's Christmas. It's a Pilates Christmas this year, I guess. Thanks for a great 2024. We'll see you all over the place. On the YouTube channel, on the social media, in the bookstores, wherever I am. Be great to see you. Talking to you, but just cut off.